Good afternoon to the honorable judges, respected teachers, and fellow participants. It's a great honor to be here today. Imagine a bright classroom, filled with laughter and discussion. Everything seems perfect except for one child sitting quietly in the corner. Not because they don't want to speak, but because no one understands their sign language and no one truly acknowledges their presence. Or imagine a brilliant student, full of passion for learning, yet every day they have to carry the burden of shame because the only access to the classroom is via stairs, while they rely on a wheelchair. These are not fictional stories. This is reality, happening right here in our country. And it all comes down to one issue. Our education system is not yet fully inclusive. Good afternoon, my name is Nala, and today I want to talk about something very basic yet often overlooked. The right to learn for everyone with no exception. Because I believe that education is not just about knowledge, it's about acceptance. And there will never be true social justice if our learning spaces continue to exclude. So what is inclusive education? Inclusive education is a system that gives every student, including those with special needs, such as disabilities, exceptional intelligence, or unique talents, the opportunity to learn in the same educational environment as others. This system aims to create a friendly, safe, and enjoyable learning space for all students, regardless of their background, where everyone has equal access to education and the chance to actively participate in the learning process. Why is inclusive education important? Because education is not a privilege. It's a fundamental human right. When we close the door on a child just because they are different, we are not only denying their rights, but also losing the incredible potential they could bring to the world. Through inclusive education, children with special needs no longer feel isolated. Instead, they are able to socially interact with their peers, improving their communication, social relationships, and emotional skills. Inclusive education also contributes to broader social change by reducing discrimination and stereotypes and by creating a fairer, more harmonious school and community environment. For students, it builds empathy, tolerance, and collaboration skills while encouraging participation and social integration for children with special needs, so that they, too, can learn and grow alongside everyone else. Unfortunately, even good intentions are often met with challenges. Many teachers still lack proper understanding and training in inclusive education. They are not yet equipped with the skills to support students with special needs. This is made even harder by inadequate facilities, not enough accessible classroom, learning aids, or adaptive teaching materials. Our curriculum also remains inflexible, failing to accommodate a wide range of learning needs. But perhaps the most common and deeply rooted challenge is the stigma. Many children with special needs still face prejudice, often not out of malice but due to a lack of awareness. Misunderstanding leads to exclusion. I was born and raised in Solo, Central Java, and I have an 80 years old younger brother who has autism. For our family, finding a school that would accept him as a child with special needs was extremely difficult, especially when we live outside Java. My brother has attended 4 different inclusive schools because we kept moving. Thankfully, he is now in a school that offers a special program tailored to children with special needs, where the curriculum is adapted to each individual's ability. By the grace of God, my brother has grown into a kind and capable learner, just like any other child. So what we can do? If you are a student, start by being kind. Inclusion begins with friendship, not policy. If you're a teacher, embrace flexibility. Not all students learn the same way, and that's okay. If you're a policymaker or a school leader, listen to the marginalized and let their voices shape the system. And finally, if you're just someone who cares, keep spreading awareness, push for change, and be the early education needs. Thank you.
Berarti ini